Hello everybody and welcome to another week of phonics with me. I hope you had a safe weekend and are ready for more phonics videos this week. Are you ready? Bounce your sounds 3 times. Well done. Fantastic. Beautiful. Well done. Are you ready? Let's see if you got them right. Oh, oh, oh. S, s, s. K, k, k. Well done. Ah, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well done. G, g, g. J, j, j. See if you can do them faster. Are you ready? Go. Oh, it's really hard when you do them fast. Brilliant sounding, everybody. Okay, I'm going to give you some words that rhyme today. I'm going to say them and then you're going to say them. Are you ready? Bang, hang. Bang, hang. Bang, hang. Beautiful. 3 this time. Here we go. Ring, king, sing, your turn. Beautiful. Ring, king, sing. Ring, king, sing, bing. 4. Ring, king, sing, bing. Have you brought your phoneme fingers? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. Have you brought your phoneme fingers? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. My word is bang. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Well done. My word is bring. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Bring. Brilliant. My word is long. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fantastic. It feels like a long time since I saw you all. Your word is string. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Amazing. Your word is thing. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Brilliant. Did you use that sound correctly? Well done, guys. Oh, I'm going to give you a really tricky one this time. On your own. Are you ready? Hanging. Hanging. On your own. I think I've got it. Hanging. How many phonemes in hanging? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hanging. Show me if you got it right. Show me if you got this many sounds. Ah. Hanging. Did you get 5 sounds like me? High 5. Brilliant. I'm going to be a robot and you are going to blend. G, ah, Well done. G, ah, gang. Beautiful. S, w, I, Brilliant. Did you get swing? Amazing. S, o, Fantastic. S, o, song. Can you sing a song? You've got a beautiful singing voice. S, p, r, I, Trick on us, get on together, ready? S, p, r, I, Spring. Brilliant roboting, guys. I mean blending. Your turn to be a robot now. I'm going to give you the word. Can you robot it? Your word is rung. Rung. Brilliant. Rung. Your word is sling. Amazing. Sling. Lungs. Inside your body you have a pair of lungs. Amazing. Lungs. Your next word is thing. Beautiful. Thing. What sound do you think we might have just been practicing? Are you sure? Can you hear that sound in song? Can you hear it in hang? Can you hear it in bang? Can you hear it in rung? Then you might be right. Did you get this sound? The sound. Can you say that? Well done. It's not g. I don't want to hear anyone making that g sound. I want to hear the What is it? Beautiful. This is called a diagraph. You say it. Diagraph. Brilliant. 2 letters, 1 sound. How many times do you say it? Ready? You are incredible at this sound. Should we try and read some words with this sound in? Are you sure you can do it? Here we go. When we read, what do? You're right. We look at the letters, make the sound and blend the sounds together. Here we go. Wing. Fantastic. I saw a butterfly that had hurt its wing. Ready, next word. Brilliant. Reading, everybody. Brilliant sounding and reading of these words. Oh, what sound is this? K. You say it. K. Brilliant. K. King. Can you stand like you are the king? Fantastic. Next word, are you ready? This morning I rang my nanny to see how she was doing because I can't go and see her at the moment. So I rang her. Brilliant reading, everybody. Now it's time for our writing. Have you got your whiteboard and your pen? I need to clean my whiteboard today. When we write, what do? Now, some of us robot the word and some of us have started to finger the word. I don't mind which one you do, okay? As long as you separate out the sound. So you say it, and you robot it, or you finger it, and then you write it, okay? Your word is bang. Can you make a loud bang? Fantastic. Can you write the word bang? Bang, bang, bang. Bang. Remembering that sound that we've been practicing today. Well, what way does my b go? Bang. And I know we've had the weekend, but I want to see that cursive handwriting this morning. Bang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bang! Bang. Make sure your b is the right way around. Beautiful. Your next word is long. Long. The grass in my garden is getting long. Can you write that? Long. You can do this one. I know you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Long. Long. Beautiful writing. Your last word today has 2 digraphs in it. Your word is thing. Look at my mouth. Thing. 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 Can you write it? say marshmallow clap. Brilliant phonics today, everybody. Your challenge today is, can you think of some rhyming words that have the sound in? Just like I did at the beginning of the video. Bang, hang, and sing, ring, king. Can you think of some words that rhyme that have the sound in it? Brilliant phonics, everybody. See you tomorrow.